Hi, my name is James Allen III. I am a graduate student at Kennesaw State University pursuing the specialist degree in instructional technology. I'm on a mission. I want to find out why teachers are not using technology in the classroom and then work to correct the situation. Veteran teachers love teaching but lack training in effective using technology in the classroom. We are now living in a world that has many technology tools. Children have access to video games, computers, cell phones, and tablets. These modern technologies play a major role in our students' life. Can teachers use these tools to help students achieve good grades? Can technology in the classroom increase students' test scores on standardized exams? My study is how to encourage teachers and prospective teachers to effectively integrate technology in today's classroom. The purpose of this study is to survey current teachers as a basis for identifying ways to encourage teachers and prospective teachers to effectively integrate technology in the classroom. I will begin this study by reviewing different journal articles, books, and data to start my inquiry in this important investigation. This is ultimately a qualitative research study with the use of a quantitative research method to analyze the data. I will use surveys, interviews, and additional data to get a better understanding of the teacher's belief concerning the use of technology in the classroom. The purpose of my study is to investigate why many teachers are not using technology, to explore ways of integrating technology in the classroom, and to find out if training and professional development is needed for teachers. Some of my research questions are: can technology help students to improve their academics? What can you do if you need assistance in integrating technology in the classroom? What subjects have you used to integrate technology? How often do you use technology in the classroom? After reading the literature on this topic concerning the use of technology in the classroom, I believe that this is a necessary study to obtain the data from the teachers, participants at my school to find out what they need to effectively implement technology in the classroom. Some of the studies in the literature examine the effects of technology use in the classroom. Ritzbutt and Kavana 2012 showed through the use of path analysis that if teachers effectively learn a computer program, they can integrate the technology into the classroom. In another study, Miranda 2011 showed that how technology is promoted, influenced, and can be used in the classroom for students. Miranda stated in her research study to maximize educational technology benefits students' learning, organization leaders must understand which factors contribute to increased use of educational technology. The school administration must promote and set the example of technology use in the classroom. If they do this, then teachers will use technology. Another study that was completed by Beltfield 2012 consisted of 2 years of observations providing several guidelines for technology practice. The program used in the study prepared leaders for the methods of observations to use while evaluating teachers on how well they can use and implement technology in the classroom. The purpose of the study is to make sure all school leaders know what teachers are verbalizing as to their needs to utilize technology in the classroom. My methodology consists of cross-sectional survey research design, interviews, and both qualitative and quantitative methods used to analyze the data. From my data analysis, 21 teachers participated in my research study. 16 of those teachers were female, 5 of those teachers were male. And the breakdown was 90% female, 10% male, as far for the teacher's gender participants of my research study. The participants range from kindergarten teachers through 5th grade teachers. This also includes special area teachers, which consist of physical education teacher, our music teacher, and the art teacher. Out of the 21 teachers, there were 5 random teachers, 4 female and 1 male, rating themselves on the multiple choice survey items as teacher number 1 said they was aware of technology, but as for teacher number 5, who was a female teacher, said that they were able to teach others on how to use technology as well as incorporate technology in the classroom. There were 2 major themes that came out of my study. One of them was proficient, means they had knowledge of technology, using the basic email system, Microsoft Office programs, and opening up the World Wide Web. The other major theme throughout my research study consisted of the teachers are expressing they need more training and professional development in order to effectively incorporate technology in the classroom. After analyzing all of the data from the survey given about technology use, the teacher range of answers gave me an idea of the fact that more training and professional development is needed. This was an eye-opener because now I have a better understanding of the challenges the teachers are faced with in using technology in the classroom. This was a quantitative representation of the data analysis. All the participants in my research study had to complete a survey answering questions honestly on how well they integrated technology in the classroom. The benefits from my study was to understand how to better help the teachers to use technology in the classroom. One surprising fact from my study, even though they knew how to use the Microsoft Office program, I noticed that teachers needed more training and practice on using spreadsheets in Microsoft Excel. Some of the participants answered they are aware of using Excel. Another survey question I asked, Can you develop and update a teacher webpage? Many of the participants stated that they are learning at the learning stage of creating web pages. All teachers were able to use the email effectively and on a regular basis. In conclusion, teachers stated we need more training and professional development. After analyzing the data, I've had an opportunity to talk to my professors in the EDRS 8900 course and even my school principal. My school principal was surprised at the fact that the teachers are expressing assistance and help in using technology in the classroom. Overall, this gave her an idea of how to better use her school's Title I money for the 2015-2016 school year.